Shubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
We have no more confidence in your leadership, so please, we are requesting you step down from your post, sir.
Yes.
You and even the registrar, please step down. That's it. As of now, that's only our demand.
As for now, 2,000 students are...
This is not possible. This is not.
Ka Northeastern Hills University Student Union hakasngi baar ka santarik na wing kala shimya ka rai ban Pynlong ka Jingshah Thngan ka Khlem por ka Jing persha halor ka Jing bom ko ngo jong vice chancellor u professor Prabhashankar Shukla ban wing no u registrar u deputy registrar badaginong tray bala shuthong be an ka Nehusu kala shimya ka rai Hadien ka Jingïakren bom shimna Seisoh ban u vice chancellor mentakasngi ka bala miru ka Jingïatay niya ka bajurba u General Secretary ka Nehusu u Tony Ho S Khasati ulapan bana bakin Pynlong ya Jingshah Thngan ba Khlem por shabar jong ka jagatri kam jong UVC haga juga por ka kinhun jong samla puli kala dawa ya vice chancellor ban hiar shukino namar ba umlong ubabet ban khli ek school ba laban kedo ba kene husu bat kene hu unit jong ka khasi student union khamman shwa kila ai daga jingmaham shu vice chancellor dak badawa na u ban wengno yu registrar bade baro ki bla sha kno bla thungkam be an habo ka sautari unai wing handrei kene ka jingdawa jong ki kam shemna udlong kumta kila shimya karai ban Pynlong daga Jingshah Thngan ba Khlem por
Enough is enough! Resign now! 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 Enough is enough! Resign now!
We see down, down. We see down, down. We see down, down. We see down, down. Registrar, go back. Registrar, go back. Registrar, go back. Registrar, go back. We see down, down. We see down, down. We see down, down. Registrar, go back. Registrar, go back. We see down, down. Down, down. Go back. Go back.
Justice, we want
Kamiet namata kadaba kaba mangi ilawan pulih ni kabahaba ngipet ya ka kamram jong wisi kaba hagri kne sngi amtang kne sngi handai ndok ipor kaba lawan banjoin hane kumu wisi jong kari school ba ka kamram jong u bat kade kaba unpet pemandra kita ki development dan ni kita ka jibha jingmet namata ki paras mula pulih habang ipet habro kiliang adon ka jitko metre kamna balai isu syai ba khledo de utara ka jitko ju ba khledo kata ka petko lut ya baro ka jingher arsut jong ka ranking jong ka ni hu ing disu ba ba ka Ministry of Education kata ka NRIF ranking bagi election haba ka ni hu ka don sakitup jong ka sispa do aspa ka pelngo pa dengi ba man ba por ka don ka jingiki dan ni ka isu bagi ngiwan wanra khmat ka office jungu uja na ka office man ka por ka ba Pynlong yang ipa himan stay ban mi bersim dagi kisim jam ka ban inya mas nang ne na postal library shadow ka office terkam ka jungu ngan pen singau pikindet ekimat ki bangi na kali ka khasi union ngilawan ra ha khmat ka office naduk ba ulawan join haus nem arjar par ka ba nangi na kali ka KSU ngiwan bu ya ka jinge bagi syam na kaduk ki hostel kita ki classroom baik itu hostel kibat don ro Khlem kimla maintain hidup mentam bar ka jiben queue ki ba hostel isu shat nak dik hindet sngi akhiri hindet benai kibat adep la ber queue ya ka ba hostel nak kan ri hojar syakanya hojar sauspa bar ka jingkular ke jung u kalong ba penbiang ya kita infrastructure nadang sedang ba de ba ki hostels henry hadum ta la sistem tang kenti abakan ne ka jidawa ka jong stang Khlem la orlong but habang ipet cepat syaki non teaching staff habak junah haki man lagi pak men hakini sistem hakini ki hindet sngi ba let la bon ki staff ki la syang thai but ka pentkok ya kom trekam habang ngilet segi pak men pair ne wat haki pak library ngisuk syai ba ka jing jo kena ka de ka ba kusan tam but ngilet se ngi ka jing persyak jong ki ni huta bagi ni husa kini dah beta ka jitrat jang ka de skul ba ban trikam resti ke ka kisip jingek ban ikan ma boleh kitu na ka streng ki man se bab sim ka benta jong ki Pynlong ku kian charge po AB.
First and foremost, I would like to welcome each and every your support towards us will uplift the spirit that will stand together and fight for the justice and for the rights of the student community. We have been writing letters since 2022 from back then by the Nehusu representative, in which not even a single memorandum has been solved.
Hey, Jolly Sam!
The infrastructure, the leakage, the seepage system that is happening since 2022, sir. So since 2022, and the same issues is also being highlighted in our memorandum, sir. So then why are you taking so long, sir? 2 years, sir.
How many years did it? 5, 6, 8?
Sir, even now also we have not.
You say
Even now we have not returned, sir.
Tell us how many years you need, 10 years or 20 years, so that we
As
know.
you are well aware about the position of
Registrar, deputy registrar, and all those legal appointments. Yes, sir. We are aware.
appointment
We are aware.
earlier there
We
is
know
no any
everything.
university engineer. In between, I already used
That's your
it.
That is your
Give our memorandum, sir. Now it's high time for you to step down.
After joining,
Sir, you are a failure. It is high time for you to step down.
after
It
joining
is high time for you to step down. Sir. No more
university,
discussion. If you cannot take action against this illegal appointments, persons who are not competent, it's high time for you to step
I
down,
am
sir.
ready.
You are ready, sir.
face
You are ready, yes, sir.
Please
Step down, step down.
That's all. From our side, we have no more confidence in your leadership. So please, we are requesting you step down from your post, sir.
Yes.
You and even the registrar, please step down. That's it. As of now, that's only our demand.
As for now, 2,000 students
Oh,
are...
this is not possible. This is not possible.
possible.
It's only depend on the government.
In your leadership, nothing is possible. I'll tell you, sir. In your leadership, nothing is possible. There's no accountability. There's no transparency in your leadership.
You are
Step down. We have to make moves.
I cannot.
You think about it.
I cannot counter you. Can say.
Yes, I'm smiling and
You
making.
don't know anything, sir.
We had a talk with him just now. We have said to him about this memorandum that we submitted in the month of September. He told us that he is taking time to compile all this memorandum and give us a favorable response. Yes. However, when we raised this same memorandum that was submitted back then in 2022 by the previous student body, he said that it is his failure that he was not able to comply with this. Now, if he is not able to fulfill the memorandums of 2022, will he be able to fulfill this memorandum that we have submitted freshly in 2024? If he is incompetent, we find that this person should step down. If he doesn't fulfill the memorandums that was being submitted freshly 2 years before, then we will see that from our side